The sun is shining and it's been unseasonably warm this year with El Nino causing the temperatures to rise and the bulbs to pop up. So I am gonna go for getting my spring lawn prepared, which is early because it's the beginning of February, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Bulbs are already starting to come up everywhere in the lawn. So that means it's time for us to prepare the soil because I'm going to be doing a lawn alternative mix here. There is a little bit of a depression here underneath this shrub, so we're filling it up with a bunch of leaves and creating a little mini culture with a bunch of leaves and then soil on top to level it. The lawn looked like grass before, and now it is just all soil. But as you can see, the bulbs are already starting to come up. They're all around here. I put down a couple inches of turf soil, and then I'm going to be seeding it, the whole thing. So seeds and bulbs are going to be coming up at the same time. But this is a long-term project, and we needed to level the lawn to improve drainage.